Welcome to Astro Advanced Analytics. It's great to have you here. What you're looking at now is Astro, your product sourcing workstation for analyzing Amazon products. Each row represents an ASIN, and Astro is already analyzing the products for you. Normally, Amazon sellers analyze products one at a time. They open up each Amazon tab one by one to check profitability, charts, offers, and all the other data you need to see. If you're working through hundreds or even thousands of products, that could take you hours, days, or even weeks. Astro replaces the entire workflow. Instead of needing to open up hundreds of Amazon tabs, Astro brings everything together in one place. It analyzes every ASIN for you automatically. Whether you're looking at a single product or 50,000 products at once, Astro shows you the key data points you need to quickly evaluate an opportunity. These data points are graded and scored, so you can instantly know whether what you're looking at is strong, average, or risky. If you want to go deeper into a product, simply expand the ASIN so you can reveal key insights and additional metrics which are going to help your buying decisions. You can also open the chart to reveal detailed price, offer, and sales volume history. Astro also displays every single seller on a listing, their price, their buy box share, if they're FBA or FBM, their stock levels, and their estimated sales over the last 30 days. So you can instantly understand the real competition behind a listing without even having to leave the platform. The break-even line helps you quickly understand whether a product has been historically a winner or a loser, and that point is even graded. Astro's preset filters help you move even faster. You can take a 50,000 row price list and narrow it down to a few hundred strong opportunities in seconds. From there, you can send your winners to a shortlist for deeper analysis. And with one click in the shortlist, you can remove all the products that you're not eligible to sell. All the gated or approval required ASINs disappear instantly, something that normally takes you hours to check manually. From there, you can review the charts, the offer, and the product detail data to decide which ASINs are worth buying. Use the insights and the recommendation that Astro provides to decide how many units you wish to purchase of every single ASIN. When you're happy with your selections, simply click Create Order. Astro will generate a purchase order which you can download and then send directly to your supplier. All your purchase orders are stored inside Astro as well, so you'll have a clear history of what you've ordered. In just a few minutes, you can go from analyzing tens of thousands of products to actually placing a supplier order. That's the power of Astro Advanced Analytics, turning product sourcing from something slow and manual to something that you can do in just minutes.